Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I will show JAROL frequency inverter JAC300 series run command and frequency command programming practical running the motor. Check the program source, enter P002 for run command. So I go to P002, enter. Now here 0 means run from keypad. P003, this code for frequency command, enter. Here is 4. From keypad we can vary the frequency or motor RPM, enter. Exit. Now I check run command is available, but frequency 0. We need to increase the frequency. Motor is running, frequency increasing, motor RPM also increasing. Okay, stop the motor. Now I will run the motor by external terminal and control the frequency from external terminal. Okay, need to change program parameter. Okay, going to parameter P02, enter. Now need to change. Now 0 means keypad. Need to set 1 for terminal, enter. P003 for frequency command, enter. Now here 4, need to change 2, enter. Exit. 2 means potentiometer, positive 10 volt, AI1 and ground common GND. AI feedback. Okay, we can check frequency up down, increasing, decreasing. That means as per the connection and program it is okay. Now I will run the motor from external terminal. Start. Motor is running, frequency now 21 point something. Increase the frequency by the potentiometer 50. Next frequency. Okay, up. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.